The crowd saying, "Hey, Mimra, last week I have a catcher who say, a Janina Mu Tom money paid, you know, it was a moon display, our table, so the Nebani saying, and I didn't manage to for my own tone. Nebani saying, right then, within the same, within the same. Okay, it's a quick AM, you're not saying, you're frozen. Come on, So most of them have displayed their things on a table, but the recalcitrant one, they still displaying their items on the background. So Secretary Dozie have said to her, tomorrow morning we'll proceed and issue her with court summons to come and explain to the court why she still continue displaying the food product on the background.
What if she feels so okay?
Oh, that one we will just use our task force to come and arrest them because we've assigned them. Take them and come and arrest them. We are assigned them on this column, so we know all of them. And you can see from the far end coming, most of them have displayed their items on the table. But there are some few ones who have failed to comply with the AMA bylaw. So that's what we are enforcing. So tomorrow we'll proceed and come and issue a court summons to come and explain to the court at the AMA District Court tomorrow morning.